From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello and thanks for joining me. I'm student meteorologist Kellianne Klass here with the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Well, it was definitely a dreary and rainy day today here in State College and mostly throughout the whole entire state as rain moved through early in the morning and through most of the day. However, the good news is that most of that rain has moved out and we are left with a foggy and misty sky here in State College. As you can see looking over the Arboretum camera, we have that foggy skies with a visibility at 2 miles, but the good news is that the temperature is sitting at 37 degrees, so it's definitely a mild evening here in State College. Now let's look at the headlines for today. So the rain is going to clear out overnight. We will be left with a little bit of fog and mist, but most of that should be gone. We will possibly see, though, a little bit of drizzle, not everywhere, just a little bit of some patchy drizzle here and there, though. The mild temps for next week will continue. Earlier this week, we did see mild temperatures well above average. The average is around this time of year, around 27 degrees. So definitely above average. As you just saw, the temperature was 37, and we almost hit a pretty good high today here in State College. And for next week, we are watching a weather system Sunday into Monday, possibly bringing some wintry weather. But if we look at the temperatures over central Pennsylvania right now, we see mostly the upper 30s and a little bit even in the upper 40s as we have a little bit of warm air coming in from the south. But most of the state is into the upper 30s and low 40s. However, if we take a look at the satellite and radar from earlier today, you can see that rain band moving in. We actually did have a little bit of wintry precipitation here in the higher elevations, but most of the state saw today some rain and we'll continue to see rain, mostly the north and east part of the state later tonight as we go into future weather. Now, overnight tonight, basically, we're just going to see some clouds, and we don't actually get some real rain and precipitation until Sunday afternoon, and that's going to come up from the south. And as we move on into Sunday, mostly rain, except when we get into Monday, that's where things change a little bit. We're going to have some windy precipitation, mostly off to the center and into the west of Pennsylvania, even some possible snow, maybe in the higher elevations, but most of the eastern portion of Pennsylvania will see some heavy rain. Even New Jersey could see some downpours at times, and that is because of the warm temperatures that we are supposed to have. If you take a look here at the future temperatures, Saturday midday, we do have some warmer air moving in from the west, and that's actually not going to make its way over the mountains. So the good portion of western Pennsylvania is going to see some warmer than average temperatures, and the portion of eastern Pennsylvania is going to see temperatures in the low to mid 40s. But if we move on, temperatures really stay at the 40s, nothing going below freezing, and that's why we are going to see a mostly rain event on Sunday afternoon and even into Monday. Like I said, in those higher elevations, we could see some windy precipitation, but as the day goes on and as the week goes on, definitely stick with us so we can give you the most accurate information. Your forecast for tonight, though, a low of 39 degrees. The rain does clear out, mostly cloudy skies. And your forecast for tomorrow, high of 50 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. And let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. So like I said, that rain is going to clear out tonight, and tomorrow is going to be mostly cloudy. We could see a little bit of rain Saturday night, and going into Sunday, rain for most part of the state, and then into Monday, that rain is still there with some chance of snow possible in the higher elevations. And then on Tuesday, cloudy with that rain gone. And it's actually going to be pretty mild for most of the week. High on Saturday reaching 50 degrees and Sunday 48 with some lows in the 40s and even to low 30s. We do start to dip down in temperatures around Monday night when that reaches 32 degrees. Thanks for joining me. I'm student meteorologist Kellianne Klass.